Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are making 2 birthday cards. My mother-in-law asked me for 5 birthday cards and 3 Christmas cards. So I only have these 2 birthday cards to make yet. We're going to stamp our sentiment in the inside and get that done because, you know, I'm going to have a fabulous birthday for the one. Oh wait, let's make sure we're going the right way though, shall we? Let's make sure, because we're going in this way for these cards. The other cards I made went the other way. So, we're doing it this way for both of these cards. Alright, and I'm sitting on my rag. Okay. Alright, and then this one, let's do a different sentiment. One's for a guy and one is for a girl. So, well, a woman, a man and a woman. We'll just do this one again, right here. And once again, everything is prepped for my cards. I try to do all the die cutting and everything off camera because, listen, first of all, my die cutting machine now squeaks and it's very loud and very obnoxious. Also, when you're die cutting, you know that if you don't, like, this is not like it's the sturdiest table. My table shakes like crazy. So, I do all my stuff off camera. And let me put this away. That's not where that goes. I tell you guys, I lost my scissor yesterday. Like, how do you lose a scissor? I found it then, but like, seriously, how do you lose a scissor? Alright, we're going to go with this one first. And I have some items like this right here. Look how good that looks in that navy. That is, you can see that that's embossed. I have this happy birthday right here, and I have a bunch of flowers in different shades and some leaves. So let me burnish that score line really good, and we will start gluing these on. The thing is, if I can get these done, I can send them home today with the boyfriend, and I don't have to think about them then. And these are done. I don't gotta think about it. Well, actually, I'm gonna gap that just a little bit because I didn't put it down right. Okay, so the thing is, and you have to remember this when you're embossing, embossing shrinks your paper. Okay? Embossing will shrink your paper, but I'm planning on filling these in with these flowers here, so it won't matter. So, like so here. I like the dark blending in, giving it a little bit of a different look. I don't think this is exactly how I'm going to do it. And then I have these leaves I can tuck in throughout. Let's get the happy birthday on where we want it so we don't cover that. How's that? I'm going to put it right there. Also, I did not practice this. I didn't line it up. I didn't figure anything out. We're doing this together. I just cut everything out and was like, okay, this is what we're doing. I should have started with the easier card. What was I thinking? Okay. I'm going to put this up here as much as I can. All right, so we have that. And then I'm wondering if I should just put some leaves down immediately. I cut out plenty. I didn't know how many I would need. So we do it like that, put those down, and then I can start filling in with flowers. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I'm just going to glue these down. This is cut from this paper that I got at Walmart, and I still have a bunch left. They used to do, I don't know if they still do, but they used to do packs of scrap paper, and this is like a fabric paper, and I like to use it for leaves, trees, leaves, but I'm going to be out of it soon, and like I said, I don't know if Walmart still does it or not. Let's do it like that. There we go. And this one, why did I put that like that? Well, it's stuck now. That's all right. We're just going to fill in with, I feel like we need to layer those a little bit. I don't know yet. I'm not sure. Let me pause and figure it out. Okay, this is how I think I want to do it. So, I have a light one stacked on a dark one. I'm just going to glue the middle down and offset it like so. And then I'm going to glue it down where I had it. Okay. Up there, like so. And then I'm going to take this cream colored one . And layer it like that. I'm going to do the same with this one that I did with the first one. Like so. Okay. Just layering them right down the middle for a separation between the plain non-embossed and the embossed paper. I really like the navy blue. Okay. Like so. one last one. Two left. All right. I don't have to worry about any kind of bulk because the boyfriend told me that his mom just sends everything down in a box and ships everything down at one time like that. So I'm going to do this and I'm going to cut off those petals at the bottom and make sure these are trimmed. Alright, and then this one here. And we'll call this one done. There it is. I might put something in the middle of all the flowers. We'll see. We will see. I'm just going to throw those pieces in my drawer of die cut pieces. And then we have this last one. And this one is probably the easiest one I have to make. I have this piece here. I'm just going to glue this down, this plaid mat, like so. Okay, and then I have these pieces that go like this. I did not cut them correctly. I gotta cut them down to size. I did not realize I cut that big. And then this happy birthday. So I am gonna take out my actual trimmer because we want to get these cut correctly. So this one needs to be what? So 4-inch. So I'm just gonna cut that off and that off. There we go. So we have this and this. We'll glue that on. I could, should I? I should. Maybe, should I? I don't know. How does the happy birthday lay? Happy birthday can lay like that. Should I pop it up? I think so. I think so. I believe we shall. We shall pop it up. I need to clean these scissors, so I might as well just use these scissors. These are so sticky, it's ridiculous. So unbelievably sticky. Goes like that. Yep. Going to do that. I'm going to do the same for this one. I really need to go to the Dollar Tree and get more foam tape, double-sided foam tape. I just have not been to the Dollar Tree in forever. I actually hate my local Dollar Tree. It's always a mess. It's always packed. But it's always a mess. It's never clean. Ever. Alright, we have that. Like I said, the boyfriend said it didn't matter about bulk because she puts everything in a box and ships everything down in a box. All at one time. Oops. whatevs. So I just glue that to that. Okay, it's not, there's not much being glued to anything. That's alright. You know what's going to happen? The card's going to sit there for what? I mean, let's be real. How long do people keep cards these days? Alright. I mean, I put my cards in my journals, but alright, I like it. What do you think? Looks good. And then I have this one. Let's add some stuff to the middle of the flowers, but let me see what I can find here. What colors I'm finding? I don't see anything. I'm literally not seeing anything. I don't know. I don't know. I think I'll do, and I have blue to go in there. Do I have like a cream to go in the blue? No, but I have white. I have that color. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. But I think the blue can go in the off-white. Right? Yeah, that looks good. I only have small ones, that's fine. It's fine. But I kind of want to move this big one and do small, big, small, big. Yeah, that looks so much better. Okay, and then in the blue one, I have these white ones here. Yeah, I think I'll just do the white. Okay, and I'm going to do all small ones because I have a bunch of small ones and I only have one big one. So we're doing all small. So much better. Look at how good that looks. I feel like this one needs something. You know what? No, it doesn't. We're just gonna let it ride. I'm gonna put these back in my container and then that is it. They're done. If I keep going, then I'm going to keep going and I'll end up not liking it. Especially for a male masculine card. But that's it. There we go. That's the last of my cards I have to make for my mother-in-law, and I love them. They look so good. Let me know what you think down below. Hit the like button if you're not already... Oh, geez, guys. Hit the like button. And if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.